Welcome to a captivating exploration of architectural excellence. Today, we invite you to join us on a journey through the enchanting Allen House, a true masterpiece crafted by the genius Lloyd Wright. Before we step inside the Allen House, let's take a moment to appreciate the visionary behind this architectural marvel, Lloyd Wright. His innovative designs and commitment to organic architecture have left an indelible mark on the world. The Allen House, located in Wichita, Kansas, was completed in 1918 for Elsie and Henry J. Allen. The house stands as a prime example of Wright's Prairie School architecture. Its history and design are characterized by its long horizontal lines, use of natural materials, and integration with its surroundings. Stepping through the entryway, you're immediately struck by the elegance of the design. The geometric patterns, leaded glass, and warm wood accents set the tone for the architectural wonders that await inside. One of the most captivating features of the Allen House is the gilded mortar. It is a stunning contrast to the earthy tones of the interior. The fireplace, adorned with intricate geometric designs, serves as a focal point, radiating both warmth and artistry. The living room exudes comfort and sophistication. Wright's trademark built-in furnishings, including the iconic seating alcove, create an inviting and functional space that flows effortlessly with the design. Adjacent to the living room, the dining room and kitchen are showcases of functional beauty. The intricate woodwork and design details in the dining room are truly a feast for the eyes. The kitchen's efficiency and style blend seamlessly with the home's overall design. Ascending the staircase, we discover the upstairs rooms, each designed with precision and purpose. Natural light floods in through art glass windows, while unique details, like the ornate light fixtures and storage solutions, demonstrate Wright's attention to every aspect of the home. Beyond the main living areas, the Allen House boasts ingenious built-in furniture, well-designed bathrooms, and delightful outdoor spaces, all reflecting Wright's commitment to creating a complete and harmonious living experience. Our journey through the Allen House by Lloyd Wright has uncovered not just a house, but a work of art. Its enduring charm and innovative design continue to inspire architects and enthusiasts alike. If you were as captivated by this architectural masterpiece as we were, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of iconic structures. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more architectural wonders in the future.